Hello, my lovely beauties. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. If your skin feels dry, dull, and lifeless every winter, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing one powerful DIY winter night cream that deeply nourishes your skin while you sleep and helps you wake up with soft, glowing, radiant skin. No expensive products, no chemicals, just real results. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more real skincare tips that actually work. So, firstly, I'm saying that why winter damages your skin. During winter, cold air and low humidity steal moisture from our skin. This leads to dryness, fine lines, dullness, and uneven skin tone. That's why a rich night cream is essential. It repairs and restores your skin while you sleep. DIY winter night cream ingredients only for 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon raw honey, and 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil. How to make? Take shea butter and melt it using a double boiler or warm water method. Once melted, add almond oil and mix well. Now add honey and vitamin E oil. Let it cool slightly, then whip it with a spoon until it turns creamy. Your winter night cream is ready. Why this works? Shea butter deeply moisturizes and repairs dry skin. Almond oil boosts glow and softness. Honey hydrates and brightens naturally. Vitamin E repairs damaged skin and gives that healthy overnight glow. So, how to use at night? At night, cleanse your face properly. Take a pea-sized amount of this cream, warm it between your fingers, and gently massage it onto your face and neck using upward motions. Leave it overnight and let it work its magic. Results and consistency. Use this cream every night during winter. Within a few days, your skin feels softer, smoother, and more hydrated. With regular use, you will notice a natural glow and healthier skin tone. So now I'm saying the important tips. Always do a patch test before use. If you have acne prone skin, use a very small amount and don't forget sunscreen during the day, even in winter. If you love this DIY winter night cream, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and comment glow if you're trying it tonight. Subscribe for more easy natural skincare secrets. See you in the next video. Good night and stay glowing.